Hi, this is Jackie from the Builderall team. In this tutorial, we're going to look at the Cheetah Builder elements and Cheetah WordPress. So right here on my dashboard, I've got my homepage open, and right here at the top is a gray plus sign. If you click on that, it's going to open up 4 tabs: Elements, Rows, Templates, and Saved. Now we're going to do it a little bit backwards, and you'll understand why I'm doing it that way. If you click on the Save element, this is the option that you need to click once you've made a change on your site. Then we have got templates. You will be able to choose different kinds of templates. If I click on templates, you'll see that there's different kinds that you can choose from. So you can apply the templates that's here, or make use of landing pages. At the moment, we only have a blank one. The next one is rows. Now WordPress work in rows and columns. So you would not be able to add any elements to your page if you haven't loaded a column. So you can see that we have got different kinds of columns here. There's 1, 2, up until 6 columns. And then one that shows to the left, one to the right, and one in the middle. So you can see that there's different kinds. So if I just close this here and hover over the existing ones, because this one at the top, even if I hover over it, it's not going to do anything, because this is a header, a global header that's been created, but it has got 3 columns right here. So if I scroll down, this is a line that's been added, and that is a 1 column. In this one, you can see it hovers, there's 1 column right there, and there's another one on this side. So it's basically 2 columns, but we've got different elements inside of this whole column as a whole. So if I click on it, you can see this line that runs around it, this blue line, which is basically 1 column, but with 2 different kinds of elements inside of these 2 areas. So if I scroll down a little bit more, again, there's 1 panel right here with these different kinds of 1 column. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 in this area. So we're going to play around with it just now when we get to the elements area. So I'm just going to click on the plus again. Let's go to elements. Now for elements, there is different kinds that you can add. We've got basic elements, we've got media elements, and we've got layout, then the very amazing Builderall apps, and we've got WordPress widgets that can be added. Now, all of them has got something in common. All of them basically, if I click on this one for an example, has got general, style, and advanced. If it doesn't say general, it's probably going to say content. So if I click on this area here, this one is general, this one shows content. Content, style, and advanced. So all of these elements here has got these basic settings that needs to be applied to all of them. And we are going to cover them one by one in the next few videos. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial, and I will see you in another.